What's the meaning of complementary angle? Complementary angle. Complementary angle.
Complementary angle. Complementary angle. Complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. In other words, when two angles are complementary, one angle is the complement of the other. For example, if one angle is 30 degrees, its complementary angle would be 60 degrees. Complementary angles are commonly found in geometry and trigonometry problems. Understanding complementary angles is important because it allows us to solve problems involving angles and degrees of rotation. When we know that two angles are complementary, we can use this relationship to find the value of one angle if we know the value of the other.